How many real solutions are there to the equation e to the x squared equals square root of 1 minus x plus pi? So the 1 minus x is inside the square root sign, and plus pi is outside the square root sign. Are there no solutions, one solution, two solutions, or more than two? So it's worth it. More judges change this action. And then now we have to figure out finally. We'll see how you guys figure this one out. Two people got it, one is right. It's kind of a hard equation to solve. It might be, anybody solve it not by trying to solve it algebraically? Yes, Clark?
I just graphed the two of them. The square root kind of goes off to the left, starting from like a 1 comma pi. And the other one looks like it goes up in both directions, so it really intersects on the left. And to find if it intersects on the right, you just plug in 1 into both sides, and you find that the e to the x squared is below the other function, so they don't intersect. So it's only one intersection.
Right, that works out real nicely. So graphically, this is a way to solve it. That's a great explanation. So it kind of looks like a problem, but not really a problem. And so that the one solution is over in the second quadrant, right? All right. So very good explanation, Clark. And we have figured out the scores, so that you do have 300 more than you see here. All right, so here we go. Vivek now has even more than 1,400. He has 1,700. Clark has 1,200. Dennis with 900. Sammy with 800. And Kevin with 600. All right, and here comes question 7. For 700 points. We hope it fits on the screen. A code word is a word of 3 symbols from the list A, B, C, D, and E with the following constraints. No vowels can be successive letters in a code word. For example, you couldn't have AA or AE. That couldn't be in a code word. No successive letters in a code word may be in immediate alphabetical order. So you couldn't have BC in a code word. You could have DC, but you couldn't have BC. CAC is an example of a code word. How many different code words are there? There's 3 symbols from that list with those 2 constraints. Are there 40, 60, 75, or 80? That's a lot of words up there. Any questions about it? All right, everyone see? See what question 7, how it went? You do better, right? Very good. That's a lot of figuring to do in that amount of time. There are 60 of them. Who got that right? All right, Sammy and Clark and Kevin. All right. So Kevin, how'd you get it?
I first calculated the number of code words with 2 letters, and there are 3 ending with A, 4 with B, C, and D. 2 ending with B, and then I calculated using those values. There are 12 3-letter words with there are 12 of them, 14 ending with B, 13 ending with C, 13 ending with D, and 8 ending with E. So that gives 60.
It added up to 60, right? So it would be nice if that pattern fell out faster, but I don't think it does. I think that's just about the kind of thing that you have to do. So good figuring, 3 if you're getting that right. Nice going. So we'll see what the score is now. Clark with 1,900, Sammy with 1,500, Vivek 1,400 with an asterisk or a bullet, which means 1,700, and Kevin with 13. So I should have rated second. Sorry, Kevin 1,300 and Dennis with 900. Still very close game.